Ever think about decorating a chicken run? Ever thought about decorating the chicken run? Well, I thought so. Why not? What do you think? Hmm? Yeah, I know. I probably lost my mind, but I'm going to decorate it. You're probably going to enjoy it. I know that kind of sounds crazy, but I'm not going to be doing a lot of decorating around the farm and here at the house, but I want to do something for my chickens. So I decided to make an area for my chickens that are going to keep them occupied. They can eat stuff and keep them busy from each other, to pick on each other. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a chicken area just for my chickens, but also make it look super cute for fall. I have to get this hay right here situated so I can get started. So before I can even get started, I need to figure out where I'm going to put this. So I was thinking maybe around this area right here. It's kind of flat, but also it gives some extra shelter if I do it right here. So I think I'm going to do it right here. So I had 7 hay bales. I had planned by getting 8, but I only could fit in the truck 7. So I got home and one of the hay bale busted. So I'm short of 1 hay bale that I actually have planned on using to do what I was going to do. So I'm going to have to improvise. So I'm going to change it around just a little bit and see where it goes. this one hay bale missing. It really kind of messed up my plan, what I had to do, wanting to do. But it still turned out pretty cute, and it's going to keep the chickens, first of all, occupied with the pumpkins being here. Going to keep them busy to peck on them. So this is not just a pretty display, but also it's going to be functional for the chickens to climb on, to jump on, to peck on, eat the mums, because also the mums are not poisonous to chickens. So I didn't know that, but I researched it. It says they're safe for chickens to eat. And so when you have chickens going after your mums, that's the reason why. But the pumpkins will keep them occupied, and I'm hoping, you know, that will help them keep the stress level down some for the chickens. But seems like they're interested in it. But it turned out pretty nice, though. I really like it. Come on. Let's see what they're going to do with it. Get very easily bored, and giving them an opportunity to stay active and occupied and distracted from each other, that will cut down a lot of the pecking order. So me doing this right here, it will keep them occupied. It will keep the pecking order to be pecked on and stressed out a little bit more, calm down, because they have something to do and they're not as bored. It is new, and they're gonna check it all out and explore it, and hopefully it'll be more calmer this way. And also it gives them another way to get out of the wind and hide, and you know, and just do that thing with their, you know, go and find shade and stuff like that. So hopefully this will work. I think it turned out super cute, and they seem to like it. And so I'm just going to let them be for a little while, and I'm going to check back with them later. And hopefully they will be climbing all over the place. They can go climb on the back, and they can climb on the front, and they can go under it to get out of each other's way. So that's gonna be nice. What do you think, Henry? So Henry is the head honcho of the roosters here, and he does not like Chris to come around near his ladies, and so he's chasing him around the yard. So I kind of feel bad for Chris, so I'm probably going to have to find him a new home. Well, it is done, so I'm going to go ahead, like I said, let them be, and see what they do, and give them something else to play with and to hang out and to hide under it. And also, it you know, it's not just only for them, but it always looks kind of cute in the chicken run in here. So since I'm not going to decorate a whole bunch. But I'm not done with the chicken area yet. I got a couple more things I want to do for the fall and some decoration, and I have some major cleaning up to do because with me in the past I just didn't have much time to clean up all the stuff in the garden, so that's my next goal in this one. But Miss Beauty here, yes, I know, she is she likes to be held a lot, so I was trying to get Henry or Chris to come over here, but they said nope. Anyway, I hope this video helped y'all, give you some ideas about what y'all can do with your chickens and how you can give them extra play area and still to look good in your garden. So yes, I know you like it. You do. I know. You've been a sweet girl, aren't you? Chris, this is it for this video, and I'll see you all next video. God bless y'all. See you soon. Bye.